All right, Friday, June the 9th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Let us begin with a look from the coast. That is Myrtle Beach this morning. Of course, just before daybreak, cutting this video early in the 5 a.m. hour this morning. A much nicer weather setup today up and down the Carolina coast than what we had yesterday, and the weekend all around the region is going to be absolutely fantastic. There's the Greensboro Tower camera just beginning to see that eastern horizon brighten a touch. Let's take a look at the Charlotte Dowd YMCA camera. A little out of focus this morning, but looking pretty good in terms of the weather. Another really comfortable morning. 61 in Charlotte. A lot of folks in the 50s across the foothills, the mountains, and the Piedmont as we start the day. What a great day yesterday. Again, rain along the coast, so kind of a dreary, at least first half of the day, many spots over there with improvement thereafter. But look at these highs around the region. You had a 72-degree high temperature in Greensboro. That was 11 below the average of 83. Charlotte, 76 the high. That's 9 degrees below the average of 85. So definitely a below average day. A little warmer today, but still a very nice weather setup. Now the wind direction beginning to shift around on us just a bit. More of a westerly component to the wind. That's going to begin to bring in warmer and warmer air over the next few days. Now the radar pretty quiet overall. In fact, let me go back to this real quick. I want to show you. We'll take a look across the nation. There's not a whole lot happening. No real major dynamic storm systems out there. You look at the severe weather threat for today. It's kind of relegated up here to the high plain states. Really a very quiet pattern across the lower 48. Been a few showers down close to the Georgia, South Carolina border regions overnight, but that's about it. Our previous system that brought that coastal rain yesterday, that's causing rain up in Cape Cod, up toward Maine as well today. But obviously that system is long gone. There's the high resolution modeling for today. Pretty quiet over much of the southeast. Now there'll be some areas of rain and storms down into Florida, some showers and storms into Texas this morning, and maybe just a couple of isolated showers down toward lower South Carolina this afternoon, but even there, the rain chances rather remote. High pressure, our big weather player. Underneath that high, you have sinking air, so not much cloud cover today. There's our highs this afternoon, and we're going to have another day of pretty low dew point temperatures for much of the foothills and the Piedmont, so really another pretty comfortable weather day overall before it gets hotter and muggier over the weekend. We'll take a look at the Greensboro Skycast for today. Looking good. Good deal of sunshine out there, and then pretty nice stuff as we head on into this evening as well. Not quite as cool tonight as what we've had the past couple of nights around the region. There's your southwesterly flow getting well established over the weekend. That means warmer and, at least with time, muggier air moving in. There's the highs on Saturday afternoon. Sunday, we continue to have that warmer air pumping in. There's our Sunday high temperatures, even a little hotter in most spots Monday afternoon. And really no substantial rain chance until maybe the end of next work week. It's a hot and mainly dry weather pattern as we get into the early stages of next week. Tropics, quiet as can be. No sign of any tropical development anywhere across the Atlantic, the Caribbean Sea, or the Gulf of Mexico. And if you are beach bound this weekend, boy, you have timed it right. 80s with sunshine all up and down the Carolina coast, and the great weather continues into early next work week too. Up and down the Carolina coast. The mountains look great too. Just a great weather setup here as the weekend moves along with a lot of sunshine. Enjoy the weekend. It's going to be great. That's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have that wonderful weekend, and God bless.